Here's how to export multiple pages as a single PDF from Figma. So doing this is very easy and simple. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method on how you can do this. Make sure you watch the video till the end so we can figure out. So let's just get into it. First of all, go to your web browser. When you're in web browser, I already have my Figma open. So let's say you have done your work and it's multiple pages. So what you have to do is just hold your left click and like click on all of these and let it stay, and go to this Figma logo main menu, and you'll see a lot of options over here, but you have to go to files and you'll see export as. Just click on it, or you can either press Ctrl Shift E, but we are here, so we're just gonna click on export as, and you'll see many options. You just have to click on PDF. And background type, I don't know if it's your preference, but if you're doing it as a picture, so I don't know. But for PDF, you can do this too, selection only entire file, but you click on export and it's exporting. So as you guys can see, it's already in my PDF element and it's all in one page. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can import multiple pages as a single PDF from Figma. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.